Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn rotation. Already we studied reflection symmetry. Now we are going to learn rotation. So reflection and rotation symmetry. So already we studied reflection symmetry. So now we are going to learn rotation symmetry. Rotation symmetry. The minute hand of a clock rotates about a point near one of its ends. A blade of a pair of scissors rotates about a point part way along its length. Isn't it? So for example, clock, take a clock. It is a rotational symmetry, isn't it? That is a circle. Rotation in a circle. Clock rotation in a circle. That is a turn. Clock rotates turn about a point near one of its ends. That is a end point. This one is a end. So this is a rotation. Okay. Next. Another one example, scissor. Scissor make having a point. Point part way long its length. That is a scissor. This is a end. This is a point. Point part way long its length. Then another one is a sparrow. Crow. So that is a rotation. This one taking a clockwise rotation. Then this bird comes this side. Then this side. So the bats rotate. The birds having a rotation symmetry. Okay. The next, a rotation turns a shape through an angle about a fixed point called the center of rotation. A rotation turns a shape through an angle about a fixed point. Angle through a fixed point called a center of rotation. This is a center of rotation. The rotation turns a shape through an angle. Through an angle. Anyone, the clock is rotation. For example, clock rotation, that is a shape of an angle. So that is, and the rotational symbol has a angle. That is a center of rotation, such that the image of the same shape and size of the original shape. Okay. Image of a same shape and size is a original shape. That is a center of rotation. Center of rotation having a angle. Turn a shape through an angle. Okay. Then next, describing a rotation. To describe a rotation fully, you need to give a center of rotation. Already you know that the center of rotation, the point about which the object is turning or rotating. The point about, that is a center of rotation, meaning the point about which the object is turning or rotating, that having a center of rotation. Okay, isn't it? The point. This one is a point. Point about which object. This one is object. That object is rotating or turning. That is called a center of rotation. Another one is the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation meaning the point, the object is turning. That is this one is an angle. Angle of rotation. So this shape having an angle. This one is a 90-degree angle. This one is a 45-degree angle. This one is a 60-degree angle. That is the angle of rotation. Direct rotation. Direct rotation means clockwise. Clockwise means, what is a clockwise? Clockwise means, already you know that the clockwise. So tan this side is a clockwise. Tan this side is a clockwise. Tan this side is a clockwise. Tan this side is a anti-clockwise. Okay. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is a direction of rotation. clockwise or and anti-clockwise, that is a direct of rotation. Okay, so describing a rotation, the rotation means center of rotation. Center of rotation means point about which the turning or rotating. Second one is the angle of rotation, the object moving the angle, that is a shape. Angle of rotation, for example 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, that is the angle of rotation. Direction of rotation means clockwise or anti-clockwise. For example clock. Let us draw the rotation of the triangle given at the right about a point anti-clockwise by an angle equal to M angle A. So, draw a segment from each vertex to the point P. Okay, each vertex, that is a vertex of a point P. Draw a segment from each vertex to a point P. Construct an angle congruent to angle A onto each segment. Measure the distance from each vertex to a point P and mark off this distance on this corresponding ray to locate the image of each vertex. Connect the image of the vertices. Vertices means point. Vertex means that is a center of point, and through the image, draw a image. Okay, so the angle of a turning rotation is called the angle of rotation. Angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. A full turn means a rotation through 360 degree. Full turns means circle. Circle, that is a 360 degree. Already know that. Semicircle means 180 degree. Okay, so quarter circle means 90 degree. A half turn is a rotation through 180 degree and a quarter turn is a rotation through 90 degree. So this is a 360 degree. So this shape is called 90 degree. Already know that. Draw. This shape is a 90 degree. Then next, this is a semicircle, 180 degree. Then next, this one is a 3/4 turn, so 270 degree. Okay, so full turn means 360 degree. Rotation at 360 degree. Okay, so the angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. A full turn means rotation through 360 degree. A half turn is rotation through 180 degree and a quarter turn is rotation 90 degree. Okay. Find out which of the following figures have a rotational symmetry about the Merkel's points and also find the order of rotational symmetry. Find out which of the following figures have rotation symmetry. About the material point, marked point, and also find the order of rotational symmetry. So, first one, take a first one. A. As shown here, the given figure fits onto itself after rotation through 180 degree. So, first we draw a rotation through 180 degree. It will, so this one is a 180 degree. Yes, this one is a 180 degree. So, it will again onto itself, that is the same. After the further rotation is of 180 degree. So, onto means same side. So, same rotation. So, that is a rotation means first straight up. Then next, this shape up. So, onto itself after through the rotation of 180 degree. So, this one is also 180 degree. Thus it fits itself onto itself twice during a rotation of 360 degree. So, that is a 2 times of rotation having a 360 degree. So, 2 times of rotation having, that is a twice during a rotation of 360 degree. Hence, a figure has a rotational symmetry of order 2. So, position after through the rotation 180 degree. Already that is a initial position. So, another turning is a straight line. So, straight line during a 180 degree. So, twice a time of a rotation, that is a 360 degree. Okay. The given figure fits onto itself. after rotation through 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. So it does show 4 times. So it has a rotation symmetry of order 4. So 4 types of rotation. So that is order of 4. Okay. So first take this shape. Rotation having a, so first rotation having, that is the anti-clockwise, through the anti-clockwise. So A. So this shape having this side. This shape having this side. Then this shape having this side. So rotational symmetry. So anti-clockwise. That is anti-clockwise, the order of 4. So D, A, B, C. Then next another clockwise rotation. Then C come this side. C come this side means C, D, A, B. Then next again B come this side means A to B, D, A to C. Then again rotation A come this side, that is a ABC. So same the first position, come into the first position, A to D, that is a order of rotation, rotational symmetry 4. Did you understand? Yes. The given figure fit onto itself only once when it's rotated through 360 degrees. So it has a rotation symmetry of order 1. Okay, the rotation symmetry of order 1. So through the rotation they are having the same shape, there is a 90 degree rotation. Figure fit onto itself, each rotated through 120 degree, 240 degree, 360 degree. So it has a rotation symmetry of order 3. So first original form, that is a original form A, B, C. Then clockwise, rotation having a clockwise, that is a rotation through 120 degree. So C come this side. Then next A come this side, B come this side. So then again rotation having a same side. So that is a rotation means clockwise rotation. That is a rotation means clockwise rotation. So that each of the letters H, I, N, S, X and Z has a rotational symmetry of order. Also mark the point of rotation symmetry in each case. Each of the given letters fit onto itself when rotates through 180 degree about a point O, and also when rotated through 360 degree. So each letter has a rotation symmetry of order 2. Rotation symmetry of order 2. So this rotation having same shape and size. That is a rotation through 180 degree. So same rotation. Don't change again. Okay. Then next another one, draw a line. Rotation through 180 degree. Then position through another one is a N shape. So N shape means don't change it. So rotation through 180 degree. Okay. Then next S shape rotation, already you know that the S shape rotation same shape. X also same rotation. So order of 2. That is order of 2. How many rotation are there? That is means order. Okay. So that is a rotation shape is 180 degree. Then another one is a Z shape. Z shape having a rotation 2 times. So that is the order of 2. Okay. Did you understand, ma? Yes. Then next, figures having both the line of symmetry as well as the rotation symmetry. Some shape have only line symmetry and some have only rotational symmetry, while there are some which have both. For example, as shown on the next page, a square, rectangle and equilateral triangle have both types of a symmetry, and isosceles triangle has only line symmetry. Isosceles triangles means two sides are equal, one side is different. That is an isosceles triangle. Already know that. It does not have a rotational symmetry. So isosceles triangles have not a rotational symmetry. It is clear from the following figures that a figure ABCD when rotated about the point O through 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 will fit exactly each onto itself. So onto means same equal. So it has a rotation symmetry of order 4. Square of a rotation symmetry order 4. Also find the 4 line of symmetry, namely diagonals and the line through the joining of the midpoint. So square having a rotation of the order 4. Okay. Then so how many rotation through the order? 4 order. So first A B C D. Then next come this side of a D. D A B C. Then next D comes this side. So C comes this side. C D A B. So order of a line 4. Okay. Then next rectangle. Rectangle. Listen, a rectangle ABCD fits exactly each time onto itself when rotated about the point O through 180 degree, 360 degree. 180 degree and 360. Therefore, it has a rotational symmetry of order 2. How is it possible order of 2? That is, the opposite sides are equal. That all sides are equal having a order 4 in square shape. So, rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Then rotational symmetry of order 2. So, 2 line of symmetry. Then next, an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC fits exactly each time onto itself when rotated through 120 degree, 240 degree, 360 degree and about centroid O. So rotational symmetry of order 3. Also the 3 line of symmetry along the bisector of the interior angles of the triangle. The triangle having a 120 degree. So same side about the next rotational 120 degree, 240 degree and 360 degree. That is an equilateral symmetry of order 4. How will you split the triangle, equilateral triangle? So this side and this side. So having a 3 rotational symmetry. Semicircle and circle. Okay. In how many ways do the shapes in above figures fit into their respective holes? Trace, cut and rotate the shape on the hole. So circle means how many ways do the shape in the above figure? Infinite number of times. Draw infinite number of times in a circle, whole circle. Okay, so semicircle means one time of rotation. That is a split. Then circle means many line of symmetry. Draw many line of symmetry. That is infinite number of times. That is a circle. Semicircle draw a one line of symmetry. Circle draw a many line of symmetry. That is an infinite number of lines. Okay. Types of symmetry for various geometrical figures. Take a note and write all the shape. Okay, how many line of symmetry? So first figure, line segment A to B. Line segment A to B, one line of symmetry. Draw one line of symmetry. Yes, order 2. That is this shape and this shape. So yes, order 2 about midpoint O as the center of a rotation. Then another one is angle AOB, equal arms. That is a equal arms OA and OB. Draw one line of symmetry. So rotation symmetry, no rotational symmetry. Okay, don't draw. Then next, equilateral triangle ABC. Draw a triangle, 3 line of symmetry, bisector of a interior angles. Order of a rotational 3. Already in the equilateral triangle order 3. The next, isosceles having no line of symmetry. Rotation having no line, one line of symmetry. Rotational having no rotational. Okay. Scale and triangle means no line, draw no line of symmetry and don't rotate the shape. Then next, square ABCD. Yes, 4 line of symmetry, draw 4 line of symmetry. Yes, order 4 about O. Okay. Then next, rhombus. Rhombus having a two line of symmetry. Order 2. About the point of intersection of its diagonals. Okay. Then next, rectangle. Rectangle means two line of symmetry. Lines drawing a midpoint of opposite sides. Then next, yes, order 2. About O is the point of intersection of the diagonals. The next, parallelogram. Parallelogram having a no line of symmetry. Order 2. Then isosceles. Isosceles trapezium is draw a one line of symmetry. Line joining the midpoint of a parallel side. So parallel means this one is a parallel. Okay. No rotational symmetry. Kite. Kite having a one line of symmetry. No rotational symmetry. Then next, irregular pentagon. Pentagon 5 line of symmetry. Order 5. Then regular hexagon 6 line of symmetry. Order 6. Semicircle. Alright, now that is semicircle. No rotation symmetry. One line of symmetry. Draw one line of symmetry. No rotation. Then next, circle. Draw a many line of symmetry. Infinite order about the center O. So infinitely rotation symmetry. Okay. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. So write down all the pages up to 207. Sorry, 203 to 211. Up to write 203 to 211. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.